Does Asif know how to drum?
Yes, he's very good.
Runik, what about Asif's drumming?
Yo, man, yo!
Hey, what about Anik? Hey, Sahim, Asif can drum. Do you know that? Oh, Salman Khan? Me? Yeah, he's awesome, man. He sucks my dick, by the way. Oh.
Yeah!
Okay. Okay, do the shit, man. No, you have to play the drum, man. Play the drum.
3, 2, 1, start! Bala! Triple bass, na?
Nah, play something, man. Play Stain right here waiting for you.
Anything you know. Dragon Force. Anything you know. Play Dragon Force. Parvina, you.
Play any song you that you can. Play any song that you can. Play any song that you can.
Okay.
Play it, man. Asif, play something. Dude, I can do this shit by myself, seriously. Do something that I cannot do. And Sir. Hey, name the.
Yeah, he's fake, man.
It's fact.